Okay, welcome back. And so today what we're going to do is we're going to do an example of using the intermediate value theorem to determine whether there exists at least one real zero between two numbers, okay, given a polynomial function. So in this case here, we're given this polynomial function f of x, and we're given the two endpoints that we want to look at. So we're looking at the interval of from a equal to 2 to b equal to 3. And so what we want to do is we want to use the intermediate value theorem to determine whether there exists a real zero on the interval from 2 to 3. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to use synthetic division. Now you could just plug these numbers in here and calculate it, but I think that's going to be more tedious and a little bit more time consuming. So we're going to use synthetic division. It's quick and easy, and remember we're going to use the remainder theorem to help us figure out the value at each one of these points. So let's do A. So let's do 2. So we'll say, okay, let's do synthetic division. And so we're going to put the exponents, or not the exponents, the coefficients. Okay, and now we're just going to drop down and start using synthetic division. So 1, okay, so verify the work. So we drop the 1 down. 2 times 1 is 2. Add down gives us 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Negative 1 down to negative 1. And we get negative 2. And then, of course, we get negative 1. And so here is our remainder, which means f of 2 is equal to negative 1. Okay, so now the only thing we're really interested in is the negative sign. So now let's do the same thing with 3. So let's do our synthetic division with 3. So again, we're going to do our coefficients. Okay, and now we're going to drop down and then we'll start the process. So this is going to give us 3. This is going to give us 1, 3, 2, 6, and 7. And so now this tells us that f of 3 is equal to 7. Okay, so notice that going from a equals 2 to a equal to b, f of 2 is negative and f of 3 is positive. So since they have opposite signs, then we conclude that by the intermediate value theorem, there exists at least one real zero between 2 and 3. And that's it. And we're done. It's that easy. That's all I'm going to say. Have a great day.